Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car is a track car. It's perfectly spec'd out to rip around on the track, and it is an absolute blast, I hear. Very, very cool. So it's not a perfect museum quality piece. It has a little bit of wear and tear, a couple scratches, little battle scars, but it is a sweet rig and it is built for the track. Looking at the wheel, looks good. Got the weights taped down. Got the Yokohamas, date code 2023. They are the A052s. That looks good. Here on that fender, looks nice. You're gonna have some rotar and things like that across the door in that lower rocker. Dry carbon on the mirrors. That looks good. The top looks nice there. Got the dry carbon here. Rock chips and things like that here on that lower side. You do have some damage right there. Got the Yokohamas 225 45 17s. Got the dry carbon here. It is missing the marker lights. A little bit of damage there. Typical rock chips. Like I said, it's not perfect by any means. Paint's chipping. See, that's kind of broke. Got all the carbon here, looks good. Okay, looking at this door, it does not open from the outside. The button doesn't do anything, so you have to open it from the inside. That panel though looks awesome. Looking at the plastic, a couple little scratches, a little bit of wear. Looking at the seat on this side, looks good. The dash looks nice on this side. Got your GoPro mount up there. All the vents are nice. All right, looking at the interior. Got the Sparco seats. Those look good. Got the steering wheel. Super cool. Now the window does not roll up and down on this door. The passenger window does work. And this door does open and close like normal, but that one, you can't open it from the outside. You can open it from that handle here, but the button on the outside does not work for some reason. Typical wear on that plastic. Overall, the seat looks good. Looks nice. This little center cap just pops off. So you got to just kind of set it there. Looks good. Alcantara. Push button start. Overall, that dash looks good. Very cool. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. car. Steering wheel is slightly off center there. We're on a really bumpy road. These tires are really sticky. They're picking up everything.